What is up, trappers? Check it out. You can see we got the TrapBlazer, the mini truck, and the TrapStar. Guys, we have some things come in. You can see them back there. There's a notification that Trap My Ride is live. Guys, I'm going to flip this camera around and you can check this out. We had a few things come in for the TrapStar. These are the new fenders. New fenders came in, nice and shiny. Come with new fender holders and screws. But guys, up underneath the fenders, we're going to get color change, LED under each one. Man, we got a bunch of people watching. What's up, Trevor? Andrew's in there. A bunch of people. What is up, guys? We're going to get these LEDs on the insides of the fenders. We're going to do a little wiring, get them done up. But guys, you can see the old fenders here. Like I showed you, they have all these like spots and stuff. Jonathan over there, you hear him? He's got that goofy little horn thing he's got. There was a chicken sound, I think. Goofy. There it is. I told him he needs a real loud speaker and an amp. But anyway, guys, goofy ass. Like you can see on the other side, they're rusted or whatever. So these are going to come off. I don't know if you guys seen, but we got the new wheels, the 144 spokes. They're in, and we got our jelly purple valve stem covers. Those came in. So I went ahead, I cleaned the tires up a little bit, cleaned the white walls up, and we got our run flat, or our self-sealing inner tubes in here, and we got the wheels on and aired up. So the fenders would be next, guys. They're here. So we're going to get these off and get the new ones on. The back one is adjustables. I don't really know how much room it really allows me to adjust. Man, I love that. That's awesome, isn't it, guys? You see that? But we'll get that on there, and we're going to get them lit up. I'll run the wires, try to conceal them. You shouldn't be able to see them. And then the battery pack, I'm going to use a phone charger that has 2 USB ports, and we'll just Velcro it up underneath the seat where you won't see it, and we'll hide the wires away, tuck them away, and they'll just plug into there, and we'll have light on the inside of the fender, and it'll make these nice spokes gleam, and it'll look real good on the fenders. But guys, hopefully the new seat, sissy bar, and handlebar grips will be here. In the mirrors, I'm so waiting for the mirrors. The mirrors would be a nice touch to this. But you can see the sissy bar on this one scratched up, guys. We're just going to put a nice new one on it. It's too bad about these fenders, but maybe we'll use them for another project. We have a new chain coming and a chain guard. The chain links, the links in the back are chrome, and the forward links are purple, and it'd be a chrome chain guard on here, and we'll polish this up real nice, the sprocket. And we have some pedals that are a little less BMX-y and a little bit more lowridery. They're spun. They're the spun pedals. So guys, I really enjoy this bike. The seat is a jelly seat, and so are the handlebars. But the velour is cool, but it's, you know, it's worn a little bit. And if I leave it outside or something, this is going to get damaged. And I don't know. I like the candy and the jelly, but it's got to see the logo from the. Hi, baby. How are you? But yep, that's what we're doing, guys. But I think we're going to take a break here real soon, and we're going to, excuse me, we're going to head up to Portillo's in Mishawaka. There's a car show going on up there, guys. So we're going to probably just leave this sit as it is, and we're going to go up to Portillo's. I think we're going to take the mini truck up. I'm not sure if Johnny's going to ride up with us or not, but we'll be headed up there in the mini truck, I think, real soon. And I think that starts at 6. So, oh yeah, sure. It's 5:30. Takes me, what, 40 minutes to get there. So, you guys get the idea. I'm never really on time. But when we get back on time, goofy ass. But when we get back, guys, we're going to work on this and hopefully get those on there. And if we can get some light to this tonight, I'll be real happy. That'll be real awesome. And then we'll just have to change the seat and a few other things, and we'll definitely be on our way. So that's real cool, guys. That's what's to come. Don't forget, guys, this mini truck is freaking awesome, dude. I love this thing. Look at the wheels. They're so glossed up, and the air ride's been doing good. I've been driving it everywhere. I really like this truck. But guys, we're getting ready to take it up to Portillo's. So if you bought a giveaway shirt or you haven't bought a giveaway shirt, here's your chance to check out the mini truck. And you see what we did. We put the Trap My Ride logo on here, so it's definitely on there. And guys, I can't wait to give this away. So check out the truck, and definitely get in and get your shirts. This thing's a lot of fun. TrapBlazer's here. It still needs a little work here. We got the ring lights inside. Oh, the dust covers came. So we'll be working on that soon. They came from O'Reilly's, so shout out to Eric and Napanee O'Reilly's. You can see my coffee there from Speedway as always. But guys, I'm gonna get around. Let's see. But I'm gonna get around and we'll see everybody up at Portillo's. We'll be doing a live up there, so make sure you stay on the lookout for the notification. Oh, she's got a cheeseburger. Man, she's got food. I want food. That sounds good. Maybe I'll eat at Portillo's. They have good food. But all right, guys, that's what it is. Stay tuned for the project on the Trap Blazer, and we will see you all at Portillo's. In the meantime, keep on trapping.